We are back for the 2021 Method Race Wheels Teardown in Tennessee. It is absolutely gorgeous here at the Adventure Off-Road Park here in southern Tennessee, just outside of South Pittsburg. This place is absolutely amazing. We are smack dab in the middle between Nashville, Knoxville, Birmingham, and Atlanta. It's a 600-acre private park. They are open every weekend. It's $20 per person, only $5 to dry camp. This course is tight. There are trees everywhere, big rocks that can bounce around. 47 miles at some of the nastiest race course we could throw at you here at the Adventure Off-Road Park. What a race we have on our hands for the 2021 Method Race Wheels Teardown in Tennessee, and this is not a disappointment.
This is one of the most tight and technical courses out here. It's some of the fast sections from last year. JT brought us up into even more rock, so this is definitely a rock-heavy course, especially for East Coast.
If you have never came to this race, you are absolutely missing out. But hey, come here, you can tune in, watch the Jumbotron, smell the horsepower, hear the horsepower, and still have all the great live video feed from all over this amazing race course. This course is getting torn up. Look how nasty it is. Those are huge rocks, and a lot of them are getting loose. And I can hear the crowd from here hooting and hollering.
Yeah, I'm pumped. It was a long ride out here, but there's something special about this race. The atmosphere, the people.
Method Race Wheels to start off. I was able to run in on 2 flats.
This course is absolutely brutal. We just drove smooth and consistent and kept the tires under it, and it worked.
Well, thank you to each and every one of you for staying tuned in all weekend long. We've had an absolute blast. This was the 2021 Method Race Wheels Teardown in Tennessee.